I think I still have trouble believing that it happened, but it did. I turned 40 this weekend, and so this vlog is my birthday vlog. Follow me and see what I got up to this weekend. And we're gonna have a little chatty time as well because turning 40 has been a complicated experience for me, and I wanted to reflect on that a little bit with you. In the meantime though, I want to show you what I got up to for my birthday weekend. Rob completely spoiled me, starting off with a birthday adventure in the morning of my birthday, and then we went to brunch afterwards. And he's been vlogging and keeping up with all of the activity on his side, so you'll get to see a bit of his POV for this as well. And later we'll come back to me and I'll close on some reflections about turning 40. So let's go.
It's her birthday. Okay, Mooble, you can come out.
Oh wow, last night,
Yeah.
after I went to sleep?
Yeah.
How did you, with the straw?
Yeah, paper straw.
Oh.
Did you have any suspicion?
No, I didn't think you were gonna get this from me when we talked about it.
This is your new watch?
What time is it?
Oh yeah, what time is it?
It is 7:15.
Oh, good. Wait, we're late. It can't be 7:15.
Got my bag all packed. What do we have to bring again?
Oh, we just put it away. Bathing suit, 2 towels, shoes, water bottle, not glass.
Okay, here we go.
And I think we got all that.
I wonder where we're going.
We're gonna find out soon.
Drive to the very end of the street, enter through the gate, and follow the gravel road beside the gate.
okay.
Is this?
There's signs that I can fix it. I don't trust the people around.
The one person around here.
The employee of the store. I think they could steal a photo. I think it's open. Hey, good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Good, yourself? Good.
Have you guys been here before?
No, first time.
Welcome to the house.
First time. We tried to sign a waiver for it, but I didn't know if it's submitted. So you have 1 or 3.
I think I got.
Okay.
Perfect.
This is a hot, cold sauna situation. And it's kind of chilly this morning, but there's only one other person here. We got 2 hours to spend here. I'm not sure how much I'll film, but it's a wonderful, wonderful way to start the day. Oh, that's too cold. Okay, the trick is to go into the cold tub right after the heat. Oh my God. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. It's quite cold. This was a really good way to start the day. Wow.
10 minutes to brunch. And you got some construction happening in the background, so.
Very loud.
This tastes way better than it looks. How's yours?
Mine looks very better. No, it's good.
It looks better than taste. No, they're both good.
Are you ready for cake?
Yeah,
Me too.
yeah,
Cake time.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. It's like kind of raw.
Oh my god, this is delicious.
Reminds me of wedding.
Reminds me of the wedding.
Post birthday me again. And yeah, so I thought I would share a little bit about my reflections on turning 40. What to say? Well, obviously, as you can see, I had a great celebration and I'm really grateful for how that turned out. Sometimes on my birthday, I can get really down, and so I'm glad that didn't happen this time around. I have been thinking about aging more generally, and somehow it is both this wonderful and absolutely terrible thing. Like, on the one hand, I feel so much more tuned than I used to the small pleasures in life that bring me joy. So things like feeling the warmth of the sunshine on me, or hearing birds chirping, even that sip of coffee. And those things used to be sort of lost on me before. But on the other hand, sometimes I'm finding myself feel a bit more insecure about things that didn't bother me, like my appearance or my general physical strength. And the timing of turning 40 has been particularly awful for me because a couple of weeks ago, I spontaneously developed a bout of eczema for the first time around my eyes. And so I wasn't able to wear makeup at all, and still can't wear makeup fully. And that has had me confronting my appearance and my aging appearance much more sharply than previously. But interestingly, I find as I'm getting older, I'm starting to question these types of thoughts that come up for me more frequently. Like, I think it's a weird thought to be worried that my skin might be showing my age, like that's somehow a bad thing. And the beauty industry will say, yes, absolutely, it is a bad thing, and you need to fix this immediately with any range of expensive products and procedures. And that if I don't do these things, I won't be pretty or relevant. But here's the thing, the definition of beauty is becoming so narrow and tightly conformed, and trying to keep up with it when your body is really just doing what it was meant to do is invariably a losing battle. And at the same time, I also recognize that while my outer appearance is changing, there are lots of changes that are happening on the inside too, things that I really want to see. Things like taking care of my mental health and learning how to lean into personal growth and building upon my tolerance for other people. These are all really good things to me. So aging is hard, but it's also really beautiful, and I keep trying to hold that tension and acceptance with the process within myself, and to be kind to myself. And some of that, I have to admit, involves disengaging with the cultural pressures at times. So yeah, does this resonate with anyone else? I'm curious. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let me know if you're also having some conflicting thoughts about aging. It's always helpful to hear that I'm not alone in this process. I think I'll leave it there, but the last thing I want to say is that you may have noticed I haven't been posting as frequently on here, and that has been intentional. It has been a step in the right direction for my mental health, and so I've been preserving my energy towards being offline for a bit. But I do miss this space, and I want to know what kind of content you would like to see from me. So let me know your thoughts in the chat about that too, if you want to see more vlogging, chatty style videos like this, or if you miss my tips videos. I'm happy to hear either way, and just want to continue to support a positive space and community on here. So thanks again for watching, and I guess I will see you in the next one. Bye.